Hey, g'day. I haven't done any scanning of my polished rocks recently. These are a few pics from my latest batches. So by scanning, I mean putting them on the desktop scanner and scanning them to reveal much more detail that you would with the standard camera, my phone camera at least. That's what this video is. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. I make videos on all things rock related, from finding, cutting and polishing, even a few helpful hints along the way. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost anything, it's free to subscribe, and it will help me build my channel. So here's the scanner all set up and scanning rocks. I scan at 1200 dpi, it takes a while. And for anyone wanting a bit more detail on how I do this, I'll include a link to a video at the end of this one. And these are the images I've ended up with. What I'll do is I'll just let this run. You can listen to some nice music and check out these beautiful polished rocks up close. hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Also, if you like and comment on this video, any of my videos, it all helps me get promoted on the YouTube algorithms. So until next time, see ya.